Looking to save an entire web page as a clean, ad-free PDF on your Mac for distraction-free reading? I'll show you how to do it without installing any additional software. You will also learn how to remove white margins from your PDFs. There are different ways to export an entire web page as a clean, uncluttered PDF file. I'll walk you through each example so you can choose the one that works best for you. On some web pages, you can simply click Reader Mode in Safari, click the Show Reader button to get a clean, distraction-free page with no ads. Next, press Command+P to open the print dialog. Then click the arrow next to PDF and choose Save as PDF. Select the location on your Mac and click Save. As you can see, the entire web page is saved as a long, clean PDF without any distracting items. However, sometimes the Show Reader button is not available, like this page. In that case, first make sure the content you want is visible by expanding the page. Next, click Hide Distracting Items. Move your mouse pointer over any items you don't want in your PDF and click to remove them. Once the page looks clean, go to Safari menu, click File, and choose Export as PDF. Once you are done, click the cross button to return the page to normal. If the Show Reader button is not available in Safari, click the Hide Distracting Items button to remove ads or unwanted items for a clean PDF. To remove the white margins or borders from a PDF file, open the PDF in the Preview app, click the sidebar, and choose Thumbnails. Click the first page. If there are more pages, shift-click to select them all. You will see a blue border appear around each page. Next, click Rectangular Selection and drag it over the area you want to keep. You just need to select the first page. To adjust your selection, drag any of the blue handles left or right until the margins look correct. Once you are happy with the selection, click the crop button to remove the white margins or borders from every page in your PDF. Then click OK. This is the final result. To learn how to add an image to a PDF file, watch this video. To read a PDF file in dark mode on your Mac, watch this tutorial. click more below this video to access the link in the description box. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a like. For more Mac tips, tutorials, and free Mac apps, click my profile picture and subscribe. Thanks for watching.